Hello my people, you're welcome back to our Academic Technology channel. Today I'm going to show you free Google tools that you can use to enhance or boost your business. Google have so many tools that will help you in your business, from your productivity to your communication to your planning and so many more. So in this video today, we are going to discuss Google tools, and these tools are free. Google tools that will help you boost your business as an entrepreneur. Please remember, my name is Unique Chukuma Godswell Abanobi, and here in our Academic Technology we talk about tech and how to make money with tech. So if that is what interests you, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumb up, please share this video. So let's go straight to the point. So the first one is Google My Business, which helps you to rank very well on Google search. When people want to search about your business, look at it, stand out on Google with a free business profile. So this is how the business profile normally looks. I will want you to go and create your own Google My Business page just from signing here. Once you sign in, you can be able to create your Google My Business page. The next one is Google Retail, and the address is google.com/retail. So this is it, drive sales and reach more customers on Google search, Google image. So you can also sign in from here and start posting your products on Google Retail, and this is how it's going to be, right? This is how it's going to stand out, and like I told you, this is free. The process is just to create an account, add your product, customer click purchase. That's put a link where when customer click, how it's going to purchase the business, and you grow. And if you intend to do advert, which is a plus, you can do advert, right? So check out google.com/retail. The next one is Gmail. Gmail is popular, you know Gmail, so you can actually just most business persons have Gmail accounts, and I don't need to say much more about Gmail, even though Gmail have so many features that people are not using. But I will advise you to create a Gmail account and use it to send your emails whenever you choose to. Also, if you even want to create a customized Gmail account, there is still a way you can create a customized Gmail account. So please go on and create your Gmail account and start doing more things with Gmail. For example, Google Chat, Google Meet, and so many of them. Also, the next one is Google Drive. So you can use your Google Drive to even send big files, large files, store pictures, store images, store videos, store documents. So Google has what they call Google Drive that you use for storage. What they offer normally is 15 GB. So after that 15 GB have expired or have exhausted, you can now pay for more space. So make sure that you use your Google Drive to store your products, to store your images, to store your pictures, to store that which is very important to you. For example, look at it, for no cost, you have 15 GB per user, you have documents, Google Docs, sheets, slides, forms, content creation. You have a secured email, and you can create a Google Meet or video and voice conferencing with 100 participants and so on. Please, I would like you to make use of Google Drive. The next thing you should look at is Google Calendar. You can use it to plan your week from Monday to Saturday or to Sunday, however you want to do it. You can even use it to remember proposals, plan appointments, do schedule. So I will want you to check out Google Calendar. I am just mentioning these features because I noticed that so many businesses don't even use half of the applications that Google have on internet that will help entrepreneurs to grow. So check out Google Calendar. Also, there is Google Meet, where you can actually do virtual meeting like Zoom, like Teams. So if you, and it's very good, you must not even be registered for you to use Google. You must not even download the app for you to use it. You can use it on your browser. So if you want to have a virtual meeting, you can use Google Meet. Then there is Google Forms, that you can easily use to build a form to collect reviews, to create an online document easily to create survey. You can use Google Form to create those things and get response from your clients, right? You can use it to get response from your clients. There's a video I made about Google Form. It will be there at the right top, so if you want to check it out, check it up there. Also, Google Alerts helps you to monitor what you are doing. It helps you to monitor your product, what is trending about your product. It helps you to monitor that. So look at it. So I am creating an alert. So it helps me to monitor what is trending on these topics. So you can also use Google Alerts. There are so many Google applications that will help you to optimize your business. There is Google Keep, there is Blogger, there is Google Text Voice, there is Google Chrome, there is Google AdSense, and most importantly, there's YouTube. There's also Google Console. So these applications, because there are many, I might not be able to cover all of them in this video, but I want to call your attention to these Google applications that are free that will help you optimize your business. So I hope you're able to learn something new today. I will see you on our next video. Please share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.